G! Currently I'm working for a private company, pero I still continue to support KRC kung kailangan nila ng tulong sa mga events nila. So una kami nag-meet actually ni Bessie Singh when I was in college. Siya yung teacher ko for Korean 10, 11 language. So after nun, eventually nung graduate ako, trabaho ako sa Korean Cultural Center as a coordinator for library and research. So doon, ang part ng role ko is to promote Korean culture among the Philippine universities and schools. So, isa sa mga naging active partners talaga namin is UP. And during that time, I guess, ini-establish pa lang yung Korean Research Center. And that's why mas supportive si KCC sa UP because tinutulungan namin silang i-promote yung Korean studies, especially dito sa UP. So yun, KCC provides resources, materials to KRC to support the events. And as minsan, nagbibigay din ng speakers kay KRC. So after nun, when I left KCC, continuous pa rin ako nag-volunteer sa KRC because apart from my interest into Korean culture in general, or you know, I am amazed with Korea, South Korea in general. Interest ko rin kasi yung event management. So, talagang malapit yun sa puso ko kasi I feel so fulfilled whenever I conduct events. So, kahit mga one day lang yan, I feel the fulfillment right away after the event. So, kaya naman, kahit anong tawag sa akin or kung may kailangan tulong si KRC, nag-volunteer ako right away para matulungan sila. Especially, I know dalawa lang sila sa KRC. So, I'm so happy lagi na natutulungan namin sila. And at the same time, I'm so happy for myself kasi feeling ko may na-fulfill ako for that day, not just para sa event management interest ko, but at the same time, na nakatulong ako dun sa vision ng KRC na ipalaganap yung Korean studies nationwide, hindi na lang within the UP system. They also help kasi yung other universities and institutions to have resources, be involved in Korean studies. Nag-join ako, so after KCC, tuloy pa rin yung pag-volunteer ko actually with the projects and events ng PKRC. So, madalas, ang role ko sa event is yung pag-manage ng tech booth. So, presentations, make sure na sounds and audio and video are working properly throughout the entire event. So, yung mga na puntahan ko na ng event with that role is yung ASEAN Korea Summit sa Shangri-La. And yung Kosasa naman din. And then wherein I think may mga in-invite na Korean resource speakers, and also yung recently is the 5th Philippine Koreanist Congress. So far yun yung mga naging involved ako as volunteer. Tapos pare-pares yung trabaho ko. Tech booth talaga. with Pam. Challenges, sa paghawak mo yung tech booth, usually laging meron yan. Kaya ang lagi namin ginagawa, day before or night before, nagpa-tech rehearsal kami. So kahit yung pag-practice sa mga presentations, audio, video, mic test, kasama yun. Para maiwasan natin or maging prepared tayo sa any unexpected event na mangyayari kinabukasan on the event day. So, kapag on the event day may nangyari, lagi namin na siyang iniisipan ng backup. Together with, for example, kay Pam and me, kami yung lagi nasusunod. Pag wala ako, or wala si Pam, ako yung mag-handle. Pag
wala si Pam, ako yung mag-handle. Make sure namin na lagi may tao sa tech booth. And backup devices. Kung sakaling mag-malfunction yung isang device, meron kami alternative. Medyo ang challenge lang nung nagkaroon na ng, yung mas marami na tayong alternative mode of presenting contents like sa mga seminars. Madalas meron ng hybrid. So merong online, merong face-to-face. So yun yung medyo challenge lang ngayon kasi you have to provide, there should be tools and capabilities para ma-accommodate yung hybrid. But so far, I think na-manage naman siya lagi kasi medyo sanay na si PKRC and UPKRC in handling events. Ang wish ko for KRC, sana pagpatuloy niyo pa itong ginagawa niyo. I know resources wise medyo challenge. Lalo na ngayon, mas marami kayong reach na eh. Mas marami nang may kilala sa KRC. So, I'm sure mas marami na rin lalapit sa KRC, mas marami pa kayong matutulungan. And sana masustain niyo yun. Yun yung wish ko sa inyo. I know, hindi natin alam kung gaano ka laki yung possible impact. Kahit isang handpill copy lang ang maipamigay niyo, hindi natin alam kung ilang estudyante or teacher or kahit student sa library na nagbabasa ang ma-inspire to go into Korean studies or to read more resources on Korean studies kasi mas marami silang matutunan. And hopefully, I hope also na KRC and the people around KRC or knows KRC, sana ma-realize nila or ma-recognize nila that the KRC's impact to the society is very helpful talaga. Dahil pwede nitong sobrang dami ng Korean studies na research na nagagawa with the help of the KRC. Pwede itong maka-apekto or pwede itong magamit sa policy making. So pwede siyang maging input. So I hope na-appreciate natin yung mga ganung impact ng KRC. So I hope yun ang isa sa mga paghugutan ng KRC to keep going and be strong. So salamat KRC and congratulations din kay Besan Sengnim and kay Pam for being so hardworking. Nakikita ko ang kanilang hard work behind the scenes. They really work hard to make sure lang na na-achieve yung KRC's mission and vision every day in UP system. So maraming salamat and congratulations KRC.